Good afternoon, students. Today we will revise the chapter perimeter and area. That is, we will revise exercise 11.1 and exercise 11.3. 11.2 is not in your syllabus. Okay. So, first exercise 11.1. Okay. First exercise 11.1. Question number 2. Okay. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. Page 208. Okay. We have to find out the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. If A be the length of the east side of the square park, then perimeter is equal to 4A. Let A be the length of the each side of the square park. Okay. We know that perimeter is equal to 4A. Therefore, 4A is equal to 320 meter or A is equal to 80 meter. Therefore, area is equal to side square. We know the area formula, that is A square, and this is equal to 80 square meter, that is 6400 square meter. Clear? Question number 2. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. Here, perimeter of the square park is equal to 320 meter. Let A be the length of the east side of the square park. So, perimeter is 4A. Therefore, 4A is equal to 320 meter or A is equal to 80 meter, and we know that area of the square park is equal to side square, that is A square. This is equal to 80 square meter, and the answer is 6400 square meter. Okay. Next, question number 4. Okay. Question number 4. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 semi. If the length is 35 semi, find its breadth. Page 208. Okay. Page number 208. Okay. Since your questions will be MCQ type, we only find the breadth of the rectangular sheet. Okay. Here the perimeter of the question number 4, perimeter of the rectangular sheet is 100 semi. Page 208, question number 4, perimeter of the rectangular sheet is 100 semi and length is equal to 35 semi. We have to find out the breadth. Okay. We know the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, isn't it? And this is equal to 100. We know the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Here length of the rectangular sheet is 35 or 35 plus b is equal to 50 or b is equal to 15 semi. So, the breadth of the rectangular sheet is 15 semi. Clear? Sanchari, clear? Yes. Saronna? Saronna, clear? Next question number, next exercise 11.3. Okay. Exercise 11.3, question number 1C. Okay. Question number 1C, exercise 11.3, page 223. Okay, and exercise 11.2 is not in your syllabus. Okay, first question 1C, find the circumference of the circle whose radius is 21 semi. Okay, here radius of the circle is equal to 21 semi. Therefore, circumference is equal to 2 pi r semi. We know the circumference formula. If r be the radius of the circle, circumference is equal to 2 pi r semi. This is equal to 2 into 22 divided by 7 into 21 semi. Here pi is equal to 22 divided by 7 and r is equal to 21. Yes, the answer is 132 semi. Very good. Therefore, the answer is 132 semi. Astha, very good. Tafik, very good. Sarana, clear. Here radius of the circle is 21 semi. We know the circumference formula is 2 pi r. Therefore, the answer is 132 semi. Okay. Next question number 3. Exercise 11.2 of chapter perimeter and area is not in your syllabus. See the syllabus in the e-portal homework section. Okay, exercises are mentioned there. Saronna, see the syllabus in the e-portal homework section. Exercises are mentioned there. Okay. Next, question number 3. If the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius. Since we discuss only MCQ questions, so we find only its radius. Okay. Here the circumference, question number 3, here circumference of the circular sheet is 154 meter. Okay. Let r be the radius of the circular sheet. the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Therefore, 2 pi r is equal to 154, or 2 into 22 divided by 7 into r is equal to 154, or r is equal to 49 divided by 2, and the answer is 24.5 meter. Therefore, radius of the circular sheet is 24.5 meter. Onik, Tafik, very good. Sanchari, very good. Okay, then next question number 16. Question number 16, page 224. Okay. How many times a wheel of radius 28 semi must rotate to go 352 meter? How many times a wheel of radius 28 semi must rotate to go 352 meter? Okay. Question number 16, page 224. Question number 16. Okay. How many times a wheel of radius 28 semi must rotate to go 352 meter? Here, radius of the wheel is equal to 28 semi. Okay. Therefore, we first find the circumference of the wheel. Okay. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. If r be the radius of the wheel, that is 2 into 22 divided by 7 into 28 semi, isn't it? That is 22 into 8 semi. We get the circumference of the wheel is equal to 22 into 8 semi. This means the wheel goes 22 into 8 semi in one rotation, isn't it? This means the wheel goes 22 into 8 semi in one rotation. That is, if the wheel rotates one time, it goes 22 into 8 semi. Okay. The wheel goes 22 into 8 semi in one rotation. Okay. Therefore, the wheel goes 1 semi in 1 divided by 22 into 8 rotation. Therefore, the wheel goes 352 meter, that is 35,200 semi, isn't it? 352 meter, that is 35,200 semi in 35,200 divided by 22 into 8 rotation, and the answer will be 200 rotation. Okay. Therefore, the wheel must rotate 200 times to go 352 meter. Clear? Clear? the math is clear to everyone. Here radius of the wheel is 28 semi. Therefore, circumference is equal to 22 into 8 semi. When the wheel rotates one time, it goes the circumference. Okay. When the wheel rotates one time, it goes 22 into 8 semi. Therefore, that is the wheel goes 22 into 8 semi in one rotation. Therefore, the wheel goes 35,200 in 200 rotation, and the answer is 200. That is, the wheel must rotate 200 times to go 352 meter. Clear? Okay. Okay. Next class we will revise the chapter comparing quantities. Next class we will revise the chapter comparing quantities, chapter 8. Okay. We will revise the chapter comparing quantities, chapter 8. Okay.